Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. And are you ready for a sleigh ride? I am. I live in West Michigan and there is snow on the ground. And I just hear the sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? In the lane, snow's a glistening. That's right, it's loaded sleigh time with Diamond Art Club's beautiful sparkle scenes. Let's dive in. This is the Art Kit DIY brought to you by Diamond Art Club. And this is a beautiful box. It's all the art contents, has how it works, everything you need to know. What I love about this, these are perfect for those of people that you want to introduce to diamond painting, or for those times that you just want to pause from the diamond painting canvases that you have. Just put them aside and do your thing. So we're gonna open this up and see what's inside. You ready? Here we go. Woo! So this is how it comes. Here we go. All right, now what I love is here's the toolkit. Has the twist and pick applicator with putty and multi-placer, stackable tray, the stopper, and the resealable bags. Now let me show you what they mean by stackable tray real quick, because I was like, what? So as you get more and more of these little kits, you will get these trays and they stack beautifully. See, not going anywhere. Okay, so you can keep collecting the trays and they stack perfectly on top of each other. Wonderful. This is my old one. This is my new one. So inside is your wax. You've got your brass single placer in case you don't want the putty. And then you've got your 7 placer here. And then you've got your lid. And then this is the removable stopper right there. You've got your baggies and your putty for your multi-placers. If you don't want the wax, the 3 multi-placers already on the pen, and then you can just, well, maybe my hands work. Here is your pre-filled putty right there. Perfect. Diamond Art Club. And I love how it feels too. All right. So here, these are round, and it says right here, reindeer sleigh. So it's attached. If they do get separated, you know how to connect them. We're going to open this up. Oh, don't want to lose that. Ooh, so pretty. All right, so here's your base. Here's your sleigh. Here's your reindeer. And then here's your beautiful ornament. Now we're going to get up close and personal. You're going to see here it says A7, and then it's going to have the special drills. On the reindeer, it has the number 3 and then 6. I think that's number 5, 4, and 2. There's 5 down there. And then on the sleigh, it has like F and 6. Here's some special drills like X and Y, and all your different numbers. And then this pulls right off. There's a plastic that pulls right off because it's, forgive my owie there from Thanksgiving dinner, and I burned myself. All right, so we're gonna open open this right here. Now, these are labeled differently than your canvas if you are a diamond painter. These are not labeled with the DMC. These are labeled with numbers. Okay, so you've got number 1, 2, or P, 2, 0 or O, K, H, N, and you're like, oh, okay, these are all different. Then here's your specials, Y, X. You're like, all right, so how do I know? Well, ta-da! You've got your thank you. Diamond Art Club knows. Here's your thank you inside. Tells you step by step where to put what. And how do I know how to place these? You're going to know how to place these by matching up the letters with what letters are on here. So if this says F, you're going to put the F on the F. If this says 3, you're going to put the 3 on here. And that's how you match them up. Okay, so we're going to take a closer look at these to see if they are specials or not. And some of these you can tell, like this has the mica powder. So you've got some that are specials, some that are regular. So you got some fairy dust in here, you got some regular. Absolutely gorgeous. This is gonna glitter and shine. You're gonna love it. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. Absolutely beautiful. Just want you to see those colors. I love the facets that Diamond Art Club puts on their drills, because no matter what, whether they're fairy dust or ABs, you're going to get beauty. And there's those special drills. And those special drills are going to go right here on the ornament. They're going to go on the top of the packages. Okay, so then once you are done, you're going to put together your sleigh, because this, after all, is a special POW. So once you're done, you're going to put the sleigh together, just like the picture. Now, I'm having a little bit of a hard time because my plastic is still on, so it's wanting to take the plastic off. But there is your sparkle POW, and it's going to be so beautiful. You can put it on your end table, side table. You can have it out for the grandkids or your children to play with. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm super excited. And this will be great like when I'm watching It's a Wonderful Life, or just sitting down on the floor playing next to my 2-year-old. I can do this on the side and have my tray with the lid on it. This would be fantastic. So I hope you go out and grab your sparkle POW today. Let me know which one you love. And until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.